So guys, I was trying to play Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure, but here you can see whenever I try to click on it, here you can see it tries to enter into the event, it tries to contact the server, but here you can see I already own the content as well. I purchased it, but I simply can't able to access it. So what's going on with the Rally Adventure map? What's the problem with it? Is it launched or is it not launched? When we can able to download this one, and what's the exact issue going on right now? Today in this video, I'll be answering all the important questions. So whether you are not able to download it, whether it's not working on your system, or probably you are just stuck onto the loading screen, watch this video till the end. We have got some solution. Upon searching a lot, I found out that many people are getting stuck onto the loading screen on Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure. Whenever you try to load the Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure, it simply won't launch, or probably it will try to communicate with the server, but nothing will ever happen. Now to find out what's really going on, I headed onto the Twitter, and here you can see guys, just 6 minutes ago, Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure pack is still not live. How to fix the Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure not working? Check this out. This fellow has getting a specific error regarding the downloading Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure. He is trying to play the new Forza Horizon Rally Adventure and it's not working. The reason being, it only downloads 10.4 megabyte of the file, while the original download is 18.4 gigabytes. So what's really going on guys? This is really strange. And here you can see the Rally Adventure expansion will be rolling out shortly. We can see that, but the exact download size is roughly 20 gigabytes depending on your platform. So without a further ado, let's get to the important part, how to fix the Rally Adventure not working. How can you fix it? Now guys, first thing first, I wanted to clarify this important thing. There are many people reporting the same exact thing. They can't able to download the Forza Horizon pack, the Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure today, and they are basically asking, are we going to download the Rally Adventure today, or is it going to launch tomorrow, or any specific time or date? We have got the exact schedule when they'll be launching that. I'll get to that in a moment. And apparently the issue is pretty clear. If you try to download the Rally Adventure right now, you can only able to download something like 10 megabytes of files, although it's like something like 20 gigabytes of expansion pack. So that's the apparent problem going on right now. And like I said, Forza Horizon 5 official Twitter page already tweeted out downloads should be available in the next few hours. But here's the thing, we have got the exact timing when they will be going to release the update, when you can able to download it. So let me deep dive into that important detail. And many people are basically tweeting out, can you explain why despite having the premium pass, the new season update, it's been after 18 GMT, and why we still can't able to download the Rally Adventure update? So people are kind of confused about the exact schedule, exact timing when they can able to download it. And here you can see guys, this is the latest response we got from the Forza Horizon. Download should be available within the next few minutes. So here you can see guys, this is a good exciting news. They'll be dropping out the update in just next few minutes. So this is a really important one. As far as the first part of the Forza Horizon 5 Rally expansion, it's available to download in a couple of minutes actually. After you watch this video, it will be probably live. And you know what, the part 2 will be available to download on 19 BST tomorrow. And you know what, there are new total of 11 accolades being added alongside with the expansion, totaling 17,000 accolades point. And you know what, speaking of the latest details, check this out. Forza community team message said, heads up rally drivers, Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure will be available to download on Microsoft Store and Steam from Wednesday 29th of the March at 11 AM PDT or 18 UTC. Remember, there is no preload for the expansion, so you have to download that one separately. And there are 2 downloads required to play the latest Forza Horizon 5 series update. That is the first download, and that one will be available to download from the Tuesday March 28, and the separate Forza Horizon 5 Rally Adventure expansion will be available on Wednesday 29th of the March at 11 AM PDT. So remember guys, you have to download both of these important things, then you can able to play the Rally Adventure pack flawlessly.